Hey guys, it's Noah and Happy New Year everyone. This is the first video of 2026 and today we're going to be unboxing the next gen of wireless MagSafe charging, the Anker Prime Wireless Charger Station 3-in-1 MagGo AirCool dock stand. This isn't just another charger. This is pushing wired level speeds with wireless convenience. So let's get into it. Let's get this thing opened. And as you guys can see here on either side of the box, this actually has the like Apple pull tab system. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so look at that. Like, just look at that already. As you can see, like literally right out of the box, Anker keeps it premium. So you get the Prime 3-in-1 charging station, which is what this is. And may I add, this does have some weight to it, probably like 5 pounds. You also get this pamphlet here that tells you like different things that you can do with it and to reset if needed. So that's always nice. But can we just look at that? Like, look how crazy this looks, okay? Like, that's insane, for one. Like, that is crazy. Inside of this box, we're gonna put this back over here. Inside of this, you also get... open this. I don't know why this doesn't come all the way out, so you gotta just open it like this. Okay, so, so you get the 5-foot USB-C to USB-C cable, rated for over 10,000 bends. And then we are going to, open this here. You can see that there. And then, why do I also feel this is really heavy? Like there's something else missing too. There's all different types of components in the box. Let's see. Okay, so we also get the 65-watt GAN foldable power adapter as well. Ooh. Looks like that. And then I don't know if this one twists. I don't think this one twists at all, but there you go. And what else do you get in the box? You get the welcome guide, quick start, everything that you need. And use this sticker to stabilize your Apple Watch while charging. Oh, cool. We love that because you know what is crazy is that there are sometimes, like especially with the MagSafe, like Mophie 3-in-1 travel charger, like it does not come with the sticker, and this is perfect so that we can place this on here. If I can do this so that it does not, there we go, so that it stays on it. I think that's how that was supposed to go. Okay, perfect. So we just got it plugged in and this is what it looks like. That's the display there, and this is what it's on the nightstand. So I'm actually going to show you guys how to set this up in the Anker app. We are in the Anker app, and this is what you will see as soon as you enter in your email and password. You do have to create an Anker email, like an Anker account, if you don't have one already. You can use it without signing in, but I prefer to sign into it. And this is just what you have here. So you just click tap add device, and then it will search for the device. So we found it, and it says bring your phone closer. So now it's just connecting and confirm. So they're on the Anker pad on the display. It will say confirm Bluetooth pairing. You just want to tap confirm. And then we will name this that, and then there is going to be an update, so then you would just update this now, update, and it's updating. And also as it's updating, you can see on the wireless charging pad as well that it's updating.
10 minutes later.
The update has finally finished, so just click on done. And this, obviously, there isn't anything here yet, so we will add the time periods for our sleep, which is usually, oh, I don't like military time. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12, that's 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. Okay, so we'll set that later. I'm not even going to be worried about that. So right now it's automatically going to be set at boost mode. So it activates the semiconductor cooling to maintain full speed charging while protecting battery health. Ice mode boosts semiconductor cooling to further lower your temperature, your phone temperature while charging. And then sleep mode automatically adjusts noise and lighting to create a quiet, sleep-friendly environment. So that is basically the app there, and then you can change the clock display as you want. This is going to be turned on, and then it will be, ooh, I like this one. It's giving very futuristic, so I decided to change it to that theme. Clock format, 12 hours. Yes, we don't do that. Time. Huh? What does it mean by that? Oh, I don't know what this means. What is the time? I don't know what this exactly means, but we will figure that out. Green timeout, you can change it between whatever. Keep it there. Screen brightness, you've got the firmware update here in case you need to update it some more later down the road. And yeah, basically that's the app. Once it's added, you'll see it here. Click on it, and then you'll have all of your real-time data for charging and everything like that. So that's the Anker app basically in a nutshell for the 3-in-1 wireless Prime charging dock. Let's talk about the design first. So this is a dock stand, not a flat pad, which means your iPhone sits upright at a perfect viewing angle, perfect for standby mode, FaceTime calls, watching videos, or just keeping an eye on notifications. It looks clean, modern, and feels solid and premium, exactly what you want on a desk or nightstand. Now here's where things get crazy. This delivers 25-watt ultra-fast wireless charging, meaning your iPhone 17 Pro can hit 50% in just 22 minutes. That's up to 6 times faster than a standard 5-watt wireless charging, faster than most traditional wireless chargers, and incredibly close to wired charging speeds, all while staying cool and stable even while you're using your phone. And the reason it can do that is the tech active cooling. This charger actively manages heat, keeping your phone below approximately 32 degrees Celsius while charging. That's huge because lower temperatures mean better performance, safer charging, and long-term battery health protection. Heat is the biggest enemy of wireless charging, and Anker straight up eliminated the problem here. And just for some context, I am going from a Mophie 3-in-1 charging pad that has no MagSafe charging with a 15-watt output for the iPhone and 5-watt and 5-watt for the Apple Watch and AirPod charging. Now, this has heated up my phone and it actually does not work because it doesn't have MagSafe. When it is charging on the base, it doesn't read sometimes. So in the middle of the night, you'll wake up or you'll wake up the next morning and it's like, why is my phone either below the charging that I've had it, or it just stayed the same as you put it to charge the night before. So I'm really excited to actually see the difference. And obviously there is a huge difference because it's like 25-watt charging, which is like insane compared to a 15 output for the iPhone. So that's crazy. I just wanted to mention that. This might be one of my favorite features. There's a built-in 1.65-inch HD display that shows charging power, temperature, charging status in real time, and you also get instant safety alerts right on the screen, so you always know what's happening with your device. You also get 3 intelligent charging modes depending on how you're using your phone. 1, boost mode, perfect for quick top-ups, higher power charging while keeping temperatures under control. Ice mode, maximum cooling and rapid charging, ideal if you're charging while actively using your phone. And sleep mode, turns off cooling, dims the display, and runs quietly, perfect for overnight charging, and it also adapts to your day instead of forcing one charging style. This charger is also fully app connected. You can connect via NFC or Bluetooth using the Anker app. to check charging status, switch charging modes, schedule day and night charging cycles, and customize the display and screensavers, automatically enter or exit sleep mode, and with NFC one-tap pairing, you literally tap your phone once and you're connected instantly. This is a real 3-in-1 setup. iPhone up to 25 watt max, AirPods up to 15 watt max, and Apple Watch fast charging support for newer models. It supports a huge range of Apple devices, including iPhone 12 through 17 series, AirPods with wireless charging cases, Apple Watch Series 1 all the way up to Series 11 and Ultra, 1 cable, 1 dock, 0 clutter. Honestly, this feels like the future of wireless charging. You're getting wired level speeds, active cooling that keeps temps under 32 degrees, a live display, app control, and a clean premium design. If you're in deep in the Apple ecosystem and want a charger that actually keeps up, this is absolutely worth it.